at a coffee shop.
Good morning. Welcome to our coffee shop.
Good morning. Can I see the menu, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. What coffee do you recommend?
Our hot coffee is very popular.
Okay, I'll have a hot coffee.
Would you like milk or sugar?
I'd like milk, please.
Anything else?
Yes, I want a sandwich.
Chicken or cheese sandwich?
Chicken, please.
For here or to go?
For here.
Great. Please take a seat.
Making plans with a friend.
Hi, Lisa. Are you free this afternoon?
Hi, Tom. Yes, I'm free after 3 o'clock.
Would you like to go shopping with me?
Sure. Where do you want to go?
Let's go to the mall near my house.
That sounds good.
What time should we meet?
How about 4 o'clock?
4 is perfect.
How will we get there?
We can take the bus.
Okay. Where do we meet?
Let's meet at the bus stop.
All right. See you later.
See you.
Talking about daily routine.
What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 6 in the morning.
Do you wake up early on weekends too?
No, I wake up late on weekends.
What do you do after you wake up?
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I eat breakfast with my family.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat rice and eggs.
What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 7:30.
How do you go to work?
I go by motorbike.
That's interesting.
At the supermarket.
Hello. Did you find everything you need?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Do you have a shopping cart?
No, I don't have one.
That's okay. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Are these fruits all yours?
Yes, they are.
Do you want paper or plastic bags?
Plastic, please.
The total is $10.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Can I get the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
I'm looking for the post office.
It's near the park.
Is it far from here?
No, it's about 5 minutes.
How can I get there?
Go straight on this road.
Then what should I do?
Turn right at the traffic light.
Will I see the park?
Yes, the park is on the left.
Is the post office next to the park?
Yes, it's next to it.
Thank you very much.
At the doctor's clinic. Good morning. What's the problem?
Good morning, doctor. I don't feel well.
What symptoms do you have?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
How long have you felt this way?
For 2 days.
Are you eating and sleeping well?
Not very well.
You should rest more.
Okay.
I will give you some medicine.
How often should I take it?
Twice a day after meals. Talking about hobbies.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to watch movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action and comedy movies.
Do you watch movies at home or at the cinema?
Mostly at home.
Do you watch movies alone?
Sometimes, but I prefer watching with friends.
How often do you watch movies?
About 2 times a week.
Do you have a favorite actor?
Yes, I do.
Who is it?
It's Tom Cruise.
That's cool.
At the hotel.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is David Lee.
How many nights will you stay?
I will stay for 2 nights.
Do you want a single or double room?
A double room, please.
Can I see your ID, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Your room is on the 3rd floor.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included.
What time is breakfast?
From 6 to 10.
At a restaurant.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good evening. Can I see the menu, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. What do you recommend?
The fried rice is very popular.
Okay, I'll have the fried rice.
Would you like chicken or beef?
Chicken, please.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
All right. Your food will be ready soon.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
At the bus station.
Hello. Where are you going?
Hello. I'm going to the city center.
One way or return ticket?
One way, please.
What time do you want to leave?
At 10 o'clock.
The next bus leaves at 10:15.
That's fine.
The ticket is $3.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Which bus should I take?
Bus number 5.
Where does it stop?
At platform 2.